You know how some team sessions feel more like something you gotta sit through than something you actually enjoy? You turn up, try to play along, but you feel the drag straight away. Your team feels the same. It just falls flat. That is why we do things differently at Fun Events Asia. You want something real, something your team can enjoy without forcing anything. No trust falls, no boring talks. Just simple moments that help everyone connect in a natural way. We have been doing this in Bangkok for more than 20 years, and you start to notice what works. When the vibe is relaxed and the activities are easy to join, your team warms up fast. They talk more. They help each other. It feels good without anyone trying too hard. If you want your team outside and moving, our outdoor challenges work great. Nothing stiff, nothing staged. Just fun. The Scavenger hunt is a strong pick. You run around Bangkok, solve things on the go, and kind of forget you are even in a team event. The city gives you natural energy, and your group starts working together without overthinking it. Then you have the food vendor challenge. This one is always lively. We give you some local cash and a few tasks, and you move through the street food scene, buying, tasting, and chatting your way through it. It is fun, quick, and it gets everyone talking without trying. If you prefer being inside, our indoor sessions keep things simple and full of teamwork. Build a bike is always a solid choice. You start by going out to shop for the kids, which gets your team moving and talking. When you come back, you build the bikes together. You talk through things, fix bits as you go, adjust what needs adjusting, and get it all done as a group. You finish with something real your team made for kids who need it. If you want something more calm, the painting challenge is a good one. You work on your own canvas, then put all the pieces together to form one big picture. You get that cool moment where everything lines up and suddenly makes sense as one artwork. Build a wheelchair is the one that creates a deeper moment. You follow clear steps, check your work, and take your time getting it right. You feel the shift the moment you realize this chair is going straight to someone who depends on it. It is a different kind of experience, and you feel that as you build it. Even with all the support and detail behind our events, the pricing stays fair for Bangkok. You get strong value because your team walks away with something that stays in their mind. Every team is different, so we listen first. You might want something sharp and focused. You might want something more creative and chill. Or you might want something that fits your brand style from start to finish. Whatever you need, we can tailor the challenge, the flow, and even the look of the activities so it matches your concept. When your team sees your branding inside the event, everything feels more personal, more connected, more yours. Pricing is always based on your group size, your team size, the location, and the activity you choose. We keep it clear and always fair. Our rates stay highly competitive for Bangkok, especially considering the amount of planning, staff, and support that goes into every event. You tell us what you need, and we shape the quote around your setup, so you are only paying for what fits your group. So if you want something that actually connects your team, instead of feeling like another company task, you are in the right spot. We keep the booking easy, the planning simple, and the experience smooth from start to finish. Just head to funeventsasia.com or tap the link below. Tell us what you need, and we will guide you to the right event. When you want something real, Fun Events Asia is ready for you. And hey, if you found this helpful, tap the like button. It helps more than you think. Go on and subscribe too. We post simple tips and real event moments that might help you plan your next team day. And if you want to stay updated, hit the bell so you do not miss anything.